So right over my account, I have 129.89 bits, and this platform promises to give access to withdrawals once you get up to 1 bit using your payer account. So right in this video, we are going to be seeing if we can withdraw this money or not. But before I go ahead placing a withdrawal on my account, let me quickly remind you that this is a platform where you come to listen to music and you get paid. So every day on this account, you get up to 25 music to listen to. As you can see right now that I've listened to about 25 music in this website and I have nothing left. So every day you come into this website, you'll be given 25 music to listen to. What you just need to do is to come down to this particular section, or you go up here and click on my studio, and it's going to bring you down here. So you just have to click on the play button and you allow the music to play to the end. Then you either like or you dislike. So that is what you do basically on this website. So let me go ahead to show you how you can place a withdrawal on this website. To place a withdrawal, you must have at least 1 bit if you're using your payer account. So the next thing you want to do is to click this red button over here that says withdraw. So once you click on that button, it's going to bring you over to this withdrawal interface where it says withdrawal of funds from the project. So you can see right now that available for output is 129.94 bits. That is what I have in my balance. And you can see that the withdrawal of funds to payer. So these are the several ways you can use to place withdrawal on this website. You can use your payer, your U-Money, and your QE. Also, you can use your Visa, MasterCard, but I will advise you use your payer to place withdrawal on this website, which we'll be doing right now. So the first thing you want to do right now is to go over to this particular section where it says payment system, then come down here and select payer. But before I continue in placing withdrawal on this website, if you're coming across my channel for the first time, my name is Joaking, and so what I do on this platform is that I show you several ways which you can earn online. And in exchange, please do well to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on the bell notification so YouTube can notify you whenever I upload any valuable content like what you're about to watch. You can as well join my social media platforms, my Telegram channel, and my WhatsApp group, where I run giveaways and also show you some specific ways you can use to make money online. You can find the links down there in the video description. So right now, you're just going to be inputting the amount you want to withdraw. So for me, I'll just be withdrawing 50 out of what I have. Then you come down here and paste your payer account number. So to copy your payer account number, all you just need to do is to head over to your payer account, then copy your account number, then come down here to paste that, which I'll be showing you right now. So right now, I'm on my payer account. As you can see right now that I have nothing on my balance. So I just need to come down here and copy my account number. Okay, so this is actually my payer account number. Then I'll just head over to this platform to continue the process of withdrawal. So I just need to minimize this and come down to this particular website, then paste my payer account number. So you can see the details. I just inputted my payer account number. So right now you can see that the rate of 1 bit is equals to 1 Russia ruble. Okay, so you just come down here and order a withdrawal. As you can see right now that the withdrawal request was successfully sent. Your request will be proceed within 24 hours. Thank you for being with us. So this is what you will get after placing a withdrawal on this website. So you just need to come down and click on OK. And when you come down here, you can see the details of this transaction. I just placed this transaction on the 26th of January 2025. As you can see, the withdrawal request, which is 50-bit wallet to this particular account number. And you can see the status saying in processing. So in less than 24 hours, we'll be getting this money into our payer account. And once this money reflects, I'm just going to show you the withdrawal proof. So when you go back to your account, you will finally see that your balance has reduced. So you can see that my balance is actually 79.94 bits. So in less than 24 hours, I'm going to be getting this credited into my payer account. I'm going to be showing us the withdrawal proof. However, since the withdrawal takes up to 24 hours, I won't be showing you the withdrawal proof right in this video. I'll be dropping this withdrawal proof on my Telegram channel. So it is advisable for you to join my Telegram channel if you want to know if this particular website actually pays or not. So let me quickly show you a secret about this website. When you come down here, you can actually see auto player. Okay, so what you just want to do is to click on auto player, and it's going to bring you over to this interface where it says my car player. Now, auto player is a service that allows you not to put likes or dislike by yourself. It automatically does this for you. You don't need to enter a captcha from the number shown in the picture. Your music starts automatically after each tracks you listen to. The price for activating this auto player service is 1000 bits. So if you're able to accumulate 1000 bits on this website, you'll be able to activate this auto player for yourself. And activation has no expiring date. For instance, if this platform actually pays, you can now see how much you'll be making by using this auto player if truly this platform pays. So thank you for watching this video to this point. I hope you got value from it, and if you did, please do well to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell notification so YouTube can notify you whenever I upload any valuable content like what you just watched. Don't forget that the withdrawal proof of this particular website will be dropped in my Telegram channel. So it is advisable for you to join my social media platforms, my Telegram channel and my WhatsApp group, where I run giveaways and also show you some specific ways you can use to make money online. You can find the links down there in the video description. See you on my next video and keep winning.